Have you ever wondered how long it takes to get your money back from stash? It's a question that many investors have asked, especially when they need their funds quickly. In this video, we'll dive deep into the process, exploring factors that can influence the speed of withdrawals and providing you with real-world examples. Stash is a popular investment app that offers a simple and affordable way to invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds. While it's a great platform for beginners, the withdrawal process might not be as straightforward as you'd expect. Understanding how long it takes to get your money back is crucial, especially if you have an urgent need for funds. Factors affecting withdrawal speed. Withdrawal method. The method you choose to withdraw your funds can significantly impact the processing time. Here's a breakdown of common methods and their associated speeds. ACH transfer. This is typically the fastest method, with funds often arriving within 2 to 3 business days. However, some banks may take longer to process the transfer. Check by mail. This is the slowest method, as it can take several weeks for the check to arrive in the mail. Instant transfers. If available, some platforms offer instant transfers, but they may come with additional fees. Stash's processing time. Stash itself may have a processing time before initiating the withdrawal. This can vary depending on the volume of requests and other factors. Bank processing time. Once Stash initiates the withdrawal, your bank may also have a processing time. This can vary depending on your bank's policies and workload. Real-world examples. Case study 1. A user recently requested an ACH transfer from Stash. The funds were initiated within 24 hours, but it took an additional 3 business days to reach their bank account due to the bank's processing time. Case study 2. Another user opted for a check by mail. The check was issued promptly, but it took over 2 weeks to arrive in the mail. Tips for faster withdrawals. Choose ACH transfers. If possible, opt for ACH transfers as they are generally the fastest method. Double-check bank information. Ensure that your bank information is accurate to avoid delays. Contact Stash customer support. If you encounter any issues or have concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Stash's customer support. The time it takes to get your money from Stash can vary depending on several factors, including the withdrawal method, Stash's processing time, and your bank's processing time. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can streamline the withdrawal process and receive your funds more efficiently. Have you had any experiences with withdrawing funds from Stash? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.